Hello everyone, this is Soham Pausar and today I will be talking about database management system. The topics that I will be covering today about the database management system are its definition, the history, the purpose of database management system, the components and also the advantage of the database management system. Now let us talk about the definition of the database management system. Consider a database management system as an online information library's virtual librarian. You may manage, locate, and arrange all of the library's books and the data with the assistance of this librarian. Information may be easily stored, retrieved, and tracked with the help of this unique tool. Everything is kept organized, safe, and easily accessible when needed thanks to the DBMS. Now let us know about the history of the database management system. In the early 1960s, Charles Beckman, an American computer scientist, developed the first general-purpose database management system, known as Integrated Data Store. In the late 1960s, IBM developed the Information Management System, which became one of the first widely used database management systems. In the 1980s, the relational model became dominant in the database management system landscape largely due to its simplicity, flexibility, and ease of use. The relational model was introduced by Edgar F. Codd in his seminal paper, A Relational Model of Data for Large Shared Data Banks in 1970. The model proposed organizing data into tables with rows and columns, and it emphasized the use of mathematical set theory for data manipulation. DBMS helps in structuring and organizing data in a systematic manner, facilitating efficient store and retrieval. Now we will be talking about the purpose of database management system. By establishing constants like primary keys, foreign keys, and unique constraints, DBMS ensures data integrity. It also protects data integrity by putting in place restriction. Data backup and recovery procedures are included in database management system. Now, what are the types of databases? So there are two types of databases, operational database and analytical database. In operational database, it is a dynamic database that is used by any organization in its day-to-day operation. They are used to collect data, maintain, modify, and delete data. The analytical database, it is a static database where data is rarely modified. This database is often used to store and track historical data to make long-term projection and analysis. Now let us talk about structured databases model. So the first is hierarchical model. This model can be visualized as a parent-child relationship wherein a child may only have one parent, but parent can have several other children. Another way of looking at this model is by visualizing an inverted tree. The single table acts as the root of the inverted tree and the other table act as branches. To access the data from one of the tables, one has to pass through the root table. The second one is the network model. This model was developed to address in part the problems of the hierarchical model. As with hierarchical model, it could be visualized as an inverted tree. However, this model allows many inverted trees sharing branches but are still part of the same database structure. As with the parent-child model, the child is allowed to have multiple parents. Unlike in the hierarchical model, access data begins from the root table. In the network model, it allows access of data from any table. This model was eventually replaced by the relational database model. Now let's talk about the relational model. It was developed by Dr. E. F. Codd of IBM in the 1970s partially to solve the problem of the earlier database model as well as finding and making database management less dependent on any application. The terms relation attributes and domains are used frequently in relational database model. A relational is a table with columns and rows. Now let us talk about the advantage of the database management system. Database management system avoids duplicate data storage, ensuring efficiency by reducing redundancy. DBMS centralized data, allowing easy and secure access for multiple users, promoting collaboration. DBMS maintain uniform and accurate data, preventing inconsistency for reliable information. DBMS also integrates data from various sources, offering a holistic view for better decision making. It also enforces rules for data relationships, ensuring seamless integration without conflicts. It also includes tools for creating detailed reports, simplifying data analysis and presentation.